Today, let's compare the Leatherman Surge with the Leatherman Wave Plus. Right off the bat, you can see the size difference. The Surge looks massive, and it is significantly longer and heavier than the Leatherman Wave Plus. Both has externally accessible tools like the knife. Knives are very, very sharp. This is serrated edge, and I believe there's a straight edge on this side. It got a saw, which is replaceable, but the saw on the Leatherman Wave is not replaceable. And on this side, we also got a file. So that's all 4 tools on the Wave. Serrated edge blade. This is a scissors, which is already broken. My son used it to cut a super thick paracord and broke it, but I believe Leatherman would provide lifetime, like 20-year warranty, so I'll probably send it back to Leatherman and have it replaced. Both features this kind of lock mechanism, the same kind of lock. Okay, let me retract all these tools and see what's inside. So both can take in this kind of belt clip. This clip is additional accessory from Leatherman. So I bought the matching color for the black Surge and the silver Wave. Okay, after open it up, as you can see, both features wire cutters, replaceable wire cutters. I believe these are the same model and same size. And on this side, we get a bottle opener. And a replaceable bit driver. Frame lock. Let me retract that one. And this bit driver can accept a ratchet driver, or the regular one. Same goes to the Wave. Let's see. Yeah, it is also the same on this side, a bottle opener with a wire stripper built in. Forgot to mention that the wire stripper is part of the tool as well in the Surge. See the wire stripper? Same here. And the Wave would take in this ratchet. I'm sorry, the bit driver that would accept the standard quarter inch bits. So by using this adapter, quarter inch bits is possible. Okay, and this is a ratchet. On this side, we got 3 tools, flathead driver of 2 different sizes and an awl. On the Wave, that's a precision screwdriver to fix eyeglasses, a flathead, or you can use it as a pry bar, scissors. The scissors on the Wave is much smaller than the scissors on the Surge. Yeah, on the Surge it's gonna be wait a second, before we go to the scissors. Yeah, these are the last tools on this side of the handle. And if you want to compare the scissors, you can see it is so much bigger which is broken, as we mentioned before. Scissors comparison. And by the way, if we want to remove the clip, have to depress this lock and then push up to remove the belt clip. Yeah, it's a beautiful tool, very well made. Highly recommend these. Yeah, depending on what you need. The Surge is certainly more heavy duty. Feels a lot stronger. The pliers are pretty much the same, but the Wave is more needle nose. It's a lot pointier than the Surge. All right, thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful.